What if I told you that the secret to becoming a millionaire isn't working harder? In fact, what if I told you that the laziest people often end up the wealthiest? Most of us were raised on a lie that you need a finance degree, a $5,000 suit, and 12 monitors to make money in the stock market. You see these gurus shouting about the next big crypto coin or AI stock, and it feels like a stressful full-time job you never applied for. But here is the truth. I firmly believe that anyone who learns the skill sets of a millionaire can become one. And the most important skill isn't picking winners, it's being lazy enough to let the world's best companies do the work for you. Today, I'm showing you the exact portfolio that requires zero expertise and about 10 minutes of work a year. We're talking about the index funds you can buy today and hold for the rest of your life. If you're ready to stop trading your time for money and start building real freedom, let's get into it. Before we talk numbers, let's talk about why. Why are you watching this? Is it to see a bigger number on a screen? Probably not. It's about the Tuesday morning when you don't have to set an alarm. It's about being able to say no to a boss you don't respect, or yes to a trip with your family without checking your bank balance.
That is what financial freedom actually looks like. A lot of people think they can't start because they don't have thousands of dollars. But you can start with just $100. The goal isn't to be rich tomorrow, it's to be free forever. But to get there, you have to stop buying things that keep you poor, like that car payment that's eating 20% of your income, and start buying assets. So how does a lazy person invest? We use index funds. Think of an index fund as a greatest hits album of the stock market. Instead of betting your life savings on one company, which could fail, you're buying a tiny piece of hundreds or even thousands of the world's most successful businesses at once. Here are the two pillars of the lazy portfolio. The whole world approach. You want an index fund that tracks the S&P 500 or the total stock market. This means you own pieces of Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. If the economy grows over the next 30 years, you grow with it. It's boring, it's simple, and it's historically one of the most powerful wealth builders in existence. The set and forget rule. The lazy part is key. You don't check the price every day. You don't panic when the news says a market shock is coming. You just keep buying, month after month. Here is exactly how you execute this. You need a paycheck routine. Every single time you get paid, before you pay rent, before you buy groceries, and definitely before you buy that new pair of shoes, you pay yourself first. Take that first $100, move it into your investment account, set up an automatic buy for your chosen index funds. That's it. You've just done more for your future than 90% of the population. Remember, everything changes after you hit that first $100,000 milestone. It's the hardest mountain to climb, but once you're at the top, the compound interest starts doing the heavy lifting for you. You stop pushing the boulder, and it starts rolling on its own. I've seen people start from zero, absolute nothing, and build a life they never thought possible just by being consistent. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be disciplined enough to stay lazy when everyone else is panicking. If you're in your 20s or 30s, time is your greatest asset. Don't waste it. If you're older, the best time to start is right now. Don't let another year of "I'll start next month" go by. I want to know in the comments, what is the one thing you're going to stop buying this month so you can start investing in your freedom? Let's hold each other accountable. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you master the millionaire skill set, one lazy step at a time. I'll see you in the next one.